Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 release date, price, and specs. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 could end up being the best Android tablet of the year, partly because it's shaping up to be a really powerful device, and partly because there just aren't that many slates running the Google design software. The Android tablet landscape is pretty sparse these days, but one company that can be relied upon to launch impressive slates is Samsung, with its Galaxy Tab S range proving to be real alternatives to an iPad. We're likely to see the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite soon, with the Tab S8 following towards the end of the year. Most recently we've seen the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which with their big screens and stylus and keyboard accessories are a match for Apple's best in a lot of ways. But their successors, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, are probably in the works, and we already have a wish list for them. Samsung isn't totally consistent with when it releases new Galaxy Tab S models, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 range and Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 all hit stores in August of their launch years, though while the Tab S7 range was announced in early August, the Tab S6 was unveiled in late July. In any case though, it's likely that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 will land in or around August of 2021, though at the time of writing there aren't any release date rumors, so we're not at all certain of that. As for the price, there's no news there either, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 started at $649.99 while the pricier Galaxy Tab S7 Plus started at $849.99. So prices may be similar for the next model. If anything though, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 range might cost more since the trend is for prices to rise. We can however predict a few things. For example, based on past form, there will probably be two Tab S8 models, likely dubbed the Galaxy Tab S8 and Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Plus model will probably also have an AMOLED screen, and they will likely also both have a 120Hz refresh rate and a top-end chipset, probably the Snapdragon 888. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and particularly the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus are excellent slates, with the latter topping our best Android tablets list, but they're not perfect. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is almost a laptop, especially once you add the optional keyboard accessory, but it has just one USB-C port, which limits its versatility a bit. So for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 we'd like to see a second port added, and ideally also a 3.5mm headphone port. Tablets don't need to be as slim and compact as phones, so we reckon the usefulness of having such a port is greater than the space saved by removing it. The Galaxy Tab S range is positioned at the high end of the market, so these slates are always going to be expensive, but we noted in our Tab S7 review that the price is a bit too high really, so we'd like to see that addressed for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 range. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 supports an optional keyboard cover, one which is generally pretty good, but the fact that the keys aren't backlit means it's hard to use in the dark. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus has an OLED screen, but the basic Tab S7 is lumbered with an inferior LCD one. So for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 we want to see OLED on both models, with more and more companies offering OLED screens on their devices and Apple now offering them on almost every iPhone. We think it's reasonable for even the most basic slates in Samsung's flagship tablet range to use OLED. Plus, while Apple has embraced OLED on its phones, the iPad range actually still uses LCD, so this is one way in which the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 could stand out. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus have an aluminum back and a premium look and feel, but one thing that spoils the look somewhat is how prone to picking up fingerprints. This is a problem faced by many phones and tablets, but it's one that we'd like Samsung to try and solve for the Galaxy Tab S8. That is all the latest news we have heard about Galaxy Tab S8. Without being said, if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.